Imagine a Jamaica where every adult can not only read and write, but navigate the digital world with confidence. Picture a country where people of all ages can start digital businesses from their homes, breaking free from traditional economic limitations. While we once fought to eradicate adult illiteracy, today a new literacy challenge looms just as large: technology literacy. What would it mean for Jamaica if we could transform technology education for our adult population? This could be the JAMAL of the digital age, a movement to empower Jamaicans in ways we never thought possible. Let's rewind to the 1970s. Half of Jamaica's adult population couldn't read or write. It was a national crisis. But through the Jamaica Movement for the Advancement of Literacy, or JAMAL, we transformed lives by the hundreds of thousands. Imagine the pride, the empowerment, and the newfound possibilities as adults learn to read bus signs, letters, job applications, everyday essentials we often take for granted. JAMAL was more than just a program. It was a social revolution. So, what if we could replicate that impact today with technology? Could a similar movement empower adults to master the digital world? Let's get real. The digital gap in Jamaica is widening. While younger generations are growing up with smartphones and apps, many adults feel left behind, unable to navigate basic technology. And it's not just about knowing how to use social media or send an email. Technology literacy could open doors to remote work, online businesses, financial independence, and even entrepreneurship from the comfort of one's home. Yet, without a push, so many Jamaicans remain on the sidelines of this digital revolution. It's time to ask, could a digital JAMAL be the answer to Jamaica's future? If this idea resonates with you, hit that subscribe button. Join us on a journey to explore and empower Jamaicans through education, technology, and economic independence. Subscribing means staying up to date on ways we can build a brighter future together. The idea of a digital JAMAL is not just ambitious, it's absolutely essential. With access to digital tools and education, adults could upskill, find new job opportunities, and even create businesses from scratch, all online. The need is urgent too. In today's economy, digital skills can be just as vital as reading and writing were 50 years ago. We are talking about more than just personal progress. We are talking about the next step in national growth. When citizens are digitally empowered, the whole country thrives. You might wonder, but where would we start? The answer could lie in transforming the Jamaican Foundation for Lifelong Learning, JFLL, the evolved form of JAMAL, into a powerhouse for adult technology education. Imagine if the JFLL focused exclusively on helping adults navigate today's digital landscape, from mastering basic computer skills to setting up online businesses. This isn't just a nice-to-have, it's the foundation for economic growth, independence, and resilience in a rapidly changing world. And just as with JAMAL, the heart of this movement would be the community. Back in the 1970s, over 20,000 volunteers dedicated their time to teaching literacy across Jamaica. Today, we could do something similar with digital skills, tapping into our youth, tech professionals, and community leaders to share their knowledge. A movement like this could be a game changer, transforming not only individual lives, but entire communities, creating a ripple effect of empowerment across the island. The challenges we would face would be real. High dropout rates, lack of access to devices, and the socio-economic barriers that Jamaicans have long struggled with won't disappear overnight. But if we have learned anything from JAMAL, it is that Jamaicans are resilient. When given the tools and the chance to succeed, we rise. this would be no different. Let's not wait for others to bridge the digital divide for us. Just as Jamal once inspired and empowered a nation to achieve something unimaginable, a digital Jamal could usher in a new era of opportunity. Imagine a Jamaica where technology literacy is as common as reading and writing, where adults feel just as empowered online as they do in their daily lives. This is the dream of a digital Jamaica, a dream we can all help make a reality. So, what's your take? Could Jamaica be the leader in technology literacy for adults? Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to stay part of this movement. Let's carry Jamal's legacy into the digital age, one skill, one person, and one community at a time.